Hey guys, it's me again. So this video is just for 6F. This is going to be a check-in that we're going to try for just our homeroom. And I'm hoping maybe even tomorrow we might be able to host our own kind of virtual class meeting. So we're going to use an app called Zoom, which I'll show you, should be in your class link right now. But in this video, I want to just touch on a few things to help keep us sort of organized and all on the same page. So the very first thing I want to remind you about is I want to give you a quick reminder about Remind. I know a lot of you are on the Student Remind page right now, but if you're not, I'm going to add a link to Remind so that you can join our class. If you're not already on there, the reason for that is it's a super easy way for you to just message me. You can always email me if your parents didn't want you to be on Remind for some reason, or if you're having trouble getting logged on, but you can just do it right from your Chromebook. If you click on this link, it'll bring you to the site, which will ask you, let's see what happens. I don't think it'll let me do it because I'm already logged in, but it should bring you right to the site. If for some reason you need a code, I don't think you will, but let's just say in case, then all it looks like you'll need to do is just type in your first name and then your email. So you won't need a phone number. If you do want to do it from your phone, the directions are right here, so you can pause right now. You're going to text the message at 6FSTU to the number 81010. So feel free to get on Remind if you're not already. Then you'll see some messages from me each day, as well as a quick way for you to check in with me if you have a question or you want to know what's going on. So something else I have on here is our Blue Creek 6th grade site. Obviously, I know you're familiar with that, but I wanted to show you something new that we're adding. So this is just some closure update information. Miss Niazi has set up a math classroom, so I'm going to encourage you to use this code right here to join her class, because that's where she's going to be posting all the information for math class. If you scroll down a little, you'll see this doc that's going to be kind of serving as our planner. Obviously, our planner is not up and running right now, but if you click here on this link, it will bring you to a page that looks like this. So each teacher is going to be updating this every day. So as you can see for today, even though today's technically Sunday, I'm making this video ahead. You're going to see today's assignments, which is all posted in Classroom. It just kind of explains it right here for you. And then it says when each teacher's office hours might be. So that just means that we'll be kind of live to answer any questions or help. I respond back to you guys within 24 hours always, but this will just kind of be like a designated time. If you want to pop on, you need to email me. You need to contact me because you're having trouble with something. That's how you would, that would be the best time to contact me. So I wanted to show you that. You can share this video with your parents as well. They probably are asking you to give them a little tour of what Classroom kind of looks like. The next thing I'll ask you to do is to fill out a super quick form, which is just a check-in. So I want to know who you are, today's date. So when you fill this out, it will be the 23rd. I would just curious, how are you feeling today? Just like we've done in our class meetings, so bored or feeling awesome. And in the flip grids that I watched, a lot of you told me how you physically felt, which was great, but I'm kind of wondering also how you emotionally are feeling. So are you kind of going crazy? Are you enjoying it? Is it some good, some bad? I would give myself right now probably about a 5 or 6. One word you would use to describe yourself today, just like in our class meetings, any word that would come to mind. Today I feel pretty good. I know that's 2 words. So I would say content would be a good word. I'm really glad that the sun is shining on this Sunday. Okay, so next you're going to tell me what you've done today. Check all that apply. Google Classroom assignment, played outside, read for enjoyment, write for enjoyment, gaming, Netflix or another show, hung out with my family or other. And then what's on your mind today? This one is optional. So you can share any of your thoughts that you have about what's going on with the class. How do you like this? How's it been going? How do you feel about being stuck in your house? Literally anything on your mind. And then the last question is, do you need a check-in? So I'm just kind of wondering hey, do you feel stuck with, I don't know where to get my classes. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. do you want me to check in with you? And if you're going to check yes, then I'll just reach out to you either on Remind or maybe through email just to see what it is you need help with. But you can be proactive and email or Remind message me what it is that you need a check-in about, okay? And then the last thing I'd like you to do today for our kind of just general check-in, actually that's it. So it says Tuesday we'll try to have our first virtual class meeting on Zoom. And I'll just show you really quickly if I can. That should be in your class link now. Zoom is, oh, well, I'm actually logged in under Charlotte, so I can show you what hers would look like. Well, let me just do it under me. Okay. So that's been interesting, trying to get Charlotte into all of this stuff and try to teach kindergarten from home and have a daycare for Grace. So life has been very busy. This is Zoom. When you click on this, it might give you a different option. Maybe it's different for me because I already have an account. But this is a cool way for us to have video chats. And so we'll try to set up a meeting for Tuesday. So that's more to come. Don't worry about that necessarily right now. But if you do click on that and it asks you to set up an account, you can go ahead and set one up. Okay, I think that's all for now. I look forward to seeing how the first day goes. Take it easy on yourselves. Don't spend hours and hours. Do what you can. Try to accomplish something from each class, and we'll go from there. Okay, bye.